So what I'm going to show you is the first two sentences of the Siu Nim Tao form. So I'm going to show you from this angle, so you can see a little bit more of my hands and less of the wall. Okay. So the Siu Nim Tao form is called the little idea form. It is one of the first three empty hand forms in the Wing Tsun system. If you look it up online, you can see it's Siu Nim Tao or Siu Lim Tao. There's many different spellings, many different versions of it. It depends on the lineage, depends on the experience of your teacher as well, and who they've been influenced by. Okay, so I'm going to show you the Leung Ting version of the Siu Nim Tao form. So I'm going to start feet together, hands by sides. You bring the hands up, elbows back, shoulders down, knees down, open the hip toes out and the heels out. So sentence 1. 1, 2, 3 and 4 movements. Okay. Number 2, centre line punch. So those are the first two sentences. So this is going to be your left side. So I'm going to be mirroring you on camera. Okay. So number 1, I'm going to do it from this angle. Left hand closest to the body. Straight down. Rotate and back. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this will be my left side this time. And 4. Okay? So number 1, elbows on shoulder line, wrist on centre line. You head straight down on your centre. So you want to have a slight slant. I'll show you from different angles. Left hand on top. So you want to fully commit out and then relax again. A full rotation of the arms and back. So you may see other versions in Wing Tsun. They go up, down, up and back. In the Leung Ting system we have this rotation. So straight down on your centre, so forwards and downwards. Open the elbows out. Full rotation and then back. I'll do it from this side. 1, 2, open, top 1, weaves inside, and then the elbows go straight back. So number 2, droop the shoulder, sink the elbow. That's the motto of the Siu Nim Tao as well. Straight line centre punch, so you've got a vertical fist. Open, full rotation and back. Start on the left side. You fire, so forwards and upwards. Open, so nice open arm. Pull the fingers towards you, inwards, downwards, aroundward, and then straight back. 1 and 4. This goes forwards and upwards. So it's got a wedge. 1 and then straight up, so you lean from the elbow. Open, full rotation, and this is called a Sao Chun. So you bring the elbow straight back. You might recognise this from karate. Going from a vertical fist, bringing it straight back and rotating.